What's up guys? Welcome to the Paget Project. I got you guys another video. My steering wheel just came in and it looks sexy. I am drooling into it, man. They did an amazing job. I'll put their Instagram on my bio for you guys to check them out. They do any custom work, anything you want, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it in our next video. So the basic, it's easy. All you got to do is just, if you want to take your steering wheel, you got to, airbag, you got to take your battery, disconnect your battery, wait between 5 to 10 minutes, and then you basically disconnect it. You have two holes basically right there and right here, and you basically put something in there and then pop the airbag out. And then what you do next is just basically just disconnecting everything like I'm doing right now, and I will show you guys that video. I almost forgot. After you take everything out, you take that bolt out as well, and then from your old steering wheel, all the buttons you transfer to your new steering wheel. You put everything on there and then you put it back. Make sure to put blue Loctite on your bolt when you're putting your steering wheel back on. I hope this helped, and enjoy the video. So finally got done. It looks freaking amazing.
Pop it right about the blue type shit. Put the double O in the room. Serotonin, that's a cool type mix. Oxycontin mixed with balloons. Used to land up feeling like a zoo type mix.
If you guys did like it, go ahead and subscribe, like, and I will post more videos. Thank you so much for watching.